As Guyana awaits thousands of second doses of the Sputnik V vaccine, Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony on Tuesday made it clear that the country will not cease administering the first dose Sputnik as he urged people to get vaccinated. The Sputnik V vaccine is administered in two doses. Initially, the second dose vaccines had to be given within 21 days. However, the Gamaleya Research Center, which developed the Sputnik V vaccine in a press statement issued in May this year, said it is possible to increase the minimum interval between the first and second vaccine shots to 90 days. Dr. Anthony on Tuesday said that the Russian Direct Investment Fund advised in July that you can prolong the interval for up to 100 days. Due to delayed shipping and global shortages of the vaccine, about 80,000 persons who took their first dose have been waiting for more than 3 months to get their second dose.
The Russian Direct Investment Fund had advised that you can prolong the interval between first and second dose of up to 90 days. Their most recent advice, which you can see published by Reuters on the 9th of July, they're indicating that you can actually go to up to 180 days. So that interval, a lot of people who have taken their first dose would not have exhausted that longer interval.
The government had initially ordered 400,000 doses of the Sputnik V vaccine. Of this amount, Guyana received 244,268 first doses and 61,268 second doses. A second order of 86,000 vaccines were subsequently made, including 43,000 first doses and 43,000 second doses. On July 26, Guyana received 10,000 doses of Sputnik V vaccines. This was followed by a weekly shipment of 5,000 doses. Meanwhile, Dr. Anthony also provided an update on the adolescent and adult immunization programs.
So I think in terms of the rollout of the Pfizer vaccine, we continue to see children coming out with their parents to get that vaccine. So far, we've had 18,862 persons who received the vaccine. The vaccination for the adults, we have currently 337,030 persons who have received their first dose. That is now putting us close to 65.7% of our adult population. And we have 175,037 persons who received their second dose, which would make them fully vaccinated. So that's about 34.1% of our adult population.
Meanwhile, as Guyana battles a third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, infections continue to rise with a total of 3,092 active COVID cases reported across the 10 administrative regions. Within the last 24 hours, 135 new infections were recorded from 1,158 tests. Region 4, Demerara Mahaica, the largest populated region, has the highest number of active cases with 1,730 cases, with hotspot areas on the east coast and east bank of Demerara and Georgetown. Since March 2020, Guyana recorded 687 COVID deaths. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.